In Tisby though, I'm showing you the exact vegetable that outperforms meat for leg strength. If you are over 60 and finding that even with more meat, eggs, and protein, your legs still feel heavy, stiff, and slow, there is a scientific reason for it. The truth is, after 60, muscle weakness is often not caused by a lack of protein, but by a failure in absorption and circulation. I'm revealing why spinach, when prepared correctly, is actually more powerful for restoring senior strength than a steak. Most of us quietly accept weakness as normal aging. We try to fuel our bodies with heavy proteins, but according to the National Institutes of Health, our ability to digest these foods decreases as we age. It's like putting high-grade fuel into an engine with a blocked fuel line. If the oxygen and nutrients can't reach your muscles, the strength simply won't return. This is where the Spinach System comes in. In this video, I'm not just giving you a recipe, I'm showing you a natural system to restart your body's circulation and energy delivery. You'll discover how the natural nitrates in spinach act as a signal to open your blood vessels, the specific garlic lemon cooking method that doubles nutrient absorption, and the simple 30-second daily movement that forces these nutrients into your leg muscles. Strength loss doesn't happen overnight, but neither does recovery. Let's start with why this simple green leaf is the key to unlocking the strength your body already has. Now, let's talk about why spinach is the hero of tea system. It's a common green leaf, but for the body of someone over 60, it performs a very specific biological task that meat cannot do. The secret lies in natural nitrates. When you eat spinach, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. According to Harvard Medical School, nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. Think of it like this. If your blood vessels are narrow roads, your muscles are starving for oxygen. No matter how much protein you eat, the delivery trucks can't get through. Spinach opens those roads, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach your legs and joints instantly. This is why research often links spinach to improved physical performance and walking speed in older adults. But it's not just about blood flow. Spinach is a powerhouse of magnesium and iron. Magnesium is the mineral that tells your muscles to relax after they contract. Without it, you feel that constant stiffness and cramping. Iron is what actually carries the oxygen. When you combine improved blood flow with high iron and magnesium, you aren't just feeding your muscles, you are activating them. However, there is a catch. If you eat spinach raw or overcook it, you lose these benefits. To restore strength, follow the garlic lemon method. Lightly saute, use a small amount of olive oil and fresh garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which further supports heart health. The 3-minute rule. Only cook until the leaves wilt. Overcooking destroys the nitrates. The lemon twist. This is the most important step. Always squeeze fresh lemon juice over your spinach before eating. The vitamin C in the lemon increases your iron absorption by nearly 3 times. By eating 1 cup of spinach, prepared this way daily, you aren't just adding calories, you are clearing the path for strength to return to your body. Muscle strength is only half the battle. If your muscles are the engine, your bones and joints are the chassis of the car. If the frame is weak, the engine cannot perform. This is where the hidden stability of spinach comes into play. Most people think of calcium for bones, but according to the National Institutes of Health, vitamin K is the manager that tells calcium where to go. Spinach is one of the densest sources of vitamin K on the planet. Without vitamin K, calcium can end up in your arteries instead of your bones. By eating spinach daily, you are signaling your body to keep that calcium inside your bones, maintaining the density you need to prevent fractures and stay upright. Then there is the issue of internal inflammation. If you wake up with stiff knees and hips, it's often because of low-grade inflammation in the joints. Spinach contains powerful antioxidants and plant compounds that Harvard Medical School identifies as anti-inflammatory. It's like a natural grease for your joints. Instead of fighting against stiffness every morning, you are providing your joints with the nutrients they need to move smoothly. To maximize this bone-building effect, spinach needs two partners. The calcium partner: pair your spinach with a small bowl of Greek yogurt or a few ounces of cheese during the day. The vitamin K in the spinach will help lock the calcium from these foods into your bones. The healthy fat: always cook your spinach with a little healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. Many of the vitamins in spinach, like A and K, are fat-soluble, meaning your body cannot absorb them without a little oil. To tell your body to use these nutrients for stability, you must send a physical signal. Try the slow-motion stand. Sit on a sturdy chair, cross your arms over your chest, and stand up as slowly as you can, taking 5 full seconds to rise. This forces your bones and joints to stabilize under pressure. Do this 5 times after your spinach meal to lock in the strength gains. Have you ever woken up after 8 hours of sleep, yet your legs still feel like lead? This is what experts call silent fatigue. It's a frustrating feeling where your mind is ready to go, but your body feels like it's moving through water. Most people think they just need more rest, but the reality is often the opposite. Your muscles are likely starving, not for calories, but for usable energy. According to the National Institutes of Health, as we age, our mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside our cells, become less efficient. Spinach helps recharge these power plants because spinach improves your blood's ability to carry oxygen. It ensures that every cell in your leg muscles gets the breath of air it needs to create energy. Think of it like clearing a clogged filter in a vacuum cleaner. Suddenly, the suction, or in your case, the strength returns because the flow is restored. To truly banish this heaviness, we combine the spinach system with 2 specific energy spikes. During the day, the afternoon potassium boost: eat 1 banana or a small sweet potato in the late afternoon. This provides the potassium needed to prevent the late-day leg cramps that many seniors experience. Spinach is high in fiber, which requires water to process. If you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker and harder to pump. Drink 1 full glass of water with your spinach meal to keep your circulation thin and fast-moving. To wake up your energy system immediately, use the countertop march. While waiting for your tea or coffee, stand at your kitchen counter and march in place for just 30 seconds. This simple act pumps the oxygen-rich blood from your spinach meal directly into your lower legs, clearing out that heavy, stagnant feeling. One of the most frightening signs of aging isn't just weakness, it's the loss of balance. It starts small, a slight wobble when you turn around quickly, or feeling unsure on uneven grass. Many people think balance is all in the ears, but for those over 60, balance is actually a communication problem. Your brain sends a signal to your legs to steady yourself. But if the circulation is slow or the nerves are sluggish, the message arrives too late. This delay is what leads to falls. Spinach is rich in folate and B vitamins, which Johns Hopkins Medicine identifies as critical for nerve health. Think of folate as the high-speed internet for your nervous system. When you have adequate folate and magnesium from your daily cup of spinach, the electrical signals from your brain travel faster to your leg muscles. This means when you trip or stumble, your muscles react in milliseconds to catch you, rather than a second too late. To build a safety net for your body, pair your spinach with these stability foods: the Vitamin C Shield. Continue using the lemon on your spinach. Vitamin C supports the collagen in your tendons, making them snappy and responsive. The healthy nut E527 walnuts or almonds daily. The omega-3 fats in these nuts protect the insulation around your nerves, ensuring the balanced signals stay sharp. While the nutrients are working inside, you must train the system outside. Try the wall tap. Stand near a wall for safety. Lift 1 foot, just 1 inch, off the ground. Try to hold it for 10 seconds. If you feel a wobble, that is actually a good thing. It means your brain and your spinach-fueled muscles are learning to talk to each other again. Do this 3 times on each side every morning. Now you see that strength after 60 isn't about eating more food. It's about eating the right food and helping your body actually use it. The meat and protein you're already eating are the fuel, But the Spinach System is the spark. By improving your circulation, clearing your internal roads with nitric oxide, and supporting your nerves with folate, you are giving your body the tools it needs to stay independent, stable, and strong. To recap your new daily routine: the spinach meal. 1 cup of lightly sautéed spinach with garlic and a squeeze of lemon. The power pairs. Combine it with yogurt for bones and walnuts for nerve health. The movement. Practice your slow motion stands and wall taps to signal your muscles to grow. Consistency is your greatest ally. You won't feel like an athlete tomorrow, but in 14 days of following this system, you will notice that heavy feeling in your legs beginning to lift. Important note: while these natural steps are powerful, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you are on blood-thinning medication, as spinach is high in vitamin K. If you want more simple ways to reclaim your health and longevity, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community here at the Wellness Path Podcast. Click the video on the screen now to learn about the 5-minute morning routine that perfectly complements the Spinach System. Take care of your body today, so it can take care of you for years to come. I'll see you in the next video.